Are you having trouble understanding what all this means? Well, I'm going to explain what every single part of this means. When you sell on Amazon, you get that calculator, and it is actually very helpful, and it is actually one of the most important features that they give you. So jumping straight into it, let's say you find some item at Walmart or Target, and you want to see what your profit's going to be. So you're going to want to go to the calculator, which is the first right arrow right there. So you're going to want to click that one on top. Then it'll take you to a page that looks like this. And now we're going to break down what each of these 4 or 5 numbers means. Starting from top where it says your price in new. So basically this is how much you're going to be selling the item for. How much you decide you're going to want to list this item to be sent and to sell for. But you're going to want to make sure you select the buy box price. Now the next button, which is fees with FBA, and this is usually where people are most confused. You can see that it says $7.39, but it is more than just that. If you go ahead and click down on the button, you will see a lot more comes up. 5 different fees. So the referral you're going to have to pay no matter if you're doing FBA or FBM. But the only other fee is pick and pack. And what that basically means is you have to pay Amazon for them to pick your item, for them to pack your item, to send it out, and to deal with the customer service. That is basically all that. This pick and pack fee can be a lot or it could be not that much depending on the type of item and how heavy and how big it is. Moving down from fees, you will see shipping to Amazon. So I set it at 50 cents per pound, but that's actually quite a lot. So you will see at my 50 cents per pound, I'll have to ship this for 26 cents. Now the one below shipping to Amazon, it is cost of purchase. Obviously, how much you bought it for. So if this was $5, you would put $5 there. Don't forget to add sales tax. Most people do. But don't forget, if you're in a state like California and the sales tax is pretty high, mine's 10%. If I was to see this for $5 at Walmart, really what I need to put is $5.50 because you need to include sales tax. So go ahead and you put $5.50. And now after all the fees, after everything, you'll finally see your profit, which is $11.84. What I like to say is at least make sure your profit's more than 50%. And go ahead and watch this video if you're having trouble contacting Amazon, because in this video, I tell you how you could contact Amazon in less than a minute.